Your garbage disposal is one of those things you probably never see but you use almost every day. Unfortunately, garbage disposals can be fickle, you never know what will cause them to break. The good news is there's an easy way to get them to start working again. Call Prime Plumbing at Fort Mill. We can fix your garbage disposal in Fort Mill, South Carolina, no matter what's wrong with it. When you need garbage disposal repair in Fort Mill, Tega Cay, Rock Hill and surrounding area, call Prime Plumbing Services. Why call Prime Plumbing Services for garbage disposal repair in Fort Mill? We provide on-time, fast and friendly service. We value your time and know you're busy and we'll show up on time. Licensed and insured, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee for your peace of mind. Prime Plumbing Services are the trusted Fort Mill plumbing experts you've been searching for with the customer service you deserve. Call the experts at Prime Plumbing Services today.